Don't worry about this Philistine. Ang sabi ni David, mahal na hari, sino ba yung uncircumcised na iniinsulto ang Israel at iniinsulto ang Diyos? Samantalang higante, kinatatakutan ng lahat. Pero si David, hindi siya natatakot. Tatalunin ko yan, mahal na hari. Ang sabi ng hari, paano mo siya tatalunin? Sabi niya, don't be ridiculous. Huwag kang ambisyoso, David. Higante yan. There is no way that you can fight this giant. Paano mo siya tatalunin, David? Una, ang bata-bata mo. Ikalawa, hindi ka naman kasama sa army ko. Hindi ka kapitan, hindi ka general, hindi ka mandirigma, hindi ka swordman, hindi ka archer. Ano alam mo? You're not fit for this. Hindi nila alam. They did not see you train in the secret place. They did not see when you are crying alone. They did not see how you battle depression alone. They did not see when you're about to take your life away. They did not see that. Pero nakita ng Diyos ang mga silent night mo, ang mga pag-iyak mo, ang development mo. Kaya alam ni Lord kung kailan kanya ihaharap. Hallelujah. You're born for this. In fact, akala ng demonyo, binigyan kanya ng problema. Hindi alam ng demonyo, binigyan kanya ng platform, binigyan kanya ng promotion. Kasi greater is He that is in you than it is in this world. You are born to solve that problem. Hindi ka pwede, David. What men disqualify, God qualifies.